about Shawn. And he's telling the individual that if him don't get back him shoes them, the individual is supposed to kill Shawn. And not only Shawn, he is to kill Shawn's mother. The news, they can't. I didn't make it up. It was on news channels in Jamaica. The investigation was televised on TV. I'm not a dumb person. I'm very smart. I actually went to Calabar for real. That's another lie that Gay Charles told you all and you run with it. That he went to Calabar. That's another lie. I'm going to expose your entire life. Your entire life. You've been lying all along. Now it's time for truth. You did not attend Calabar. You didn't. Not even one day. Okay? I'm going to get a couple of messages for you too. Gay Charles. The man them from country, where you live in your mother's house, you may come up from country and they must stay over your mother's house where she live at Jamaica. Them say no grocery at all in her house. Hungry, I kill them over there. Over Portmore? Over your mother yard? Yeah. Oh, I'm going to get that next message for you too. You remember one youth named Cuckoo? One youth named Cell Block? One youth named Raja? I remember your next bridge in a wheelchair over there in New York. Them say, if you tell us, you and them are going to catch up one of the day. Them say, when you come from jail, are them a Lenny-matic over Bronx? I hold it and I suffer together. And from your forward, Lenny cut left them. And they run you not take a call and you not broke no bread. You and them will buck up one day. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. They just told me to tell you. And just tell me to tell you because I got the media. I'm the God. You know? So I'm just telling you. Yeah, remember Raja, Cuckoo, them youth, they Cell Block. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I'm just telling you. So the video I posted today, I am going to re-edit the video, meaning I'm going to block out the part where his pencil is going into the toilet and restructure it. So that's when him troll again, I'm going to post again, it stay up this time. You understand? And also, I have a voice note. I have two voice notes, one for Gully and one for Gaza. My father and I really argued with me, so I keep the voice note in the ammunition box. I think nobody that look for my father the same if I play that voice note. And then we have a voice note from the court proceedings. This is why them can't sue me. We have a voice note from the court proceedings where Gay Charles is having a conversation with an individual about Shawn. And he's telling the individual that if him don't get back him shoes them, the individual is supposed to kill Shawn. And not only Shawn, he is to kill Shawn's mother. Want to hear what I just said? Want to hear what I just said? Want to hear what I just said? Someone have short-term memory, you know. Imagine. And this, why I mean say, Gaza fans them are some shithouse. If you know say, Shawn Storm not deserve nothing. You know some shit house. Imagine being loyal, right? Get arrested because of Gay Charles negligence, saving shit on phone, using recordings as intimidation tactics to intimidate people, have everything stored up in your phone. Because of that, Shawn Storm end up get locked up. Cairo Jones and Madsus. Being a loyal soldier, Shawn Storm decides that him not talk. Nobody not talk. Some of the things I not say because I don't want to dry snitch. I just talk about when in the public space, right? Shawn Storm allegedly get a plea deal where he would see about 2 to 4 years in a prison and come out. If him just talk against you, Shawn Storm decides him not do that. Cairo decides him not do that. Madsus decides him not do that. That's the only reason why you're out today. Shawn Storm had all loyalty. During the middle of the case, the court case, evidence is presented to the judge. See? And Shawn Storm sit down in the courthouse, allegedly upon his birthday, to hear the man where him a protect and tell the shatter say, and you him not get back him shoes, Shawn Storm and him mother forget it. I don't want nobody call me. Hang up this phone here. Do not call me. Call Gay Charles. I rang money my ramp with. Me not have to be careful, nothing. Gay Charles cannot do me nothing. All him have $100 billion. Nobody man can defeat straight man. Here somebody say, wait, Shawn Storm don't know. Shawn Storm was in the courthouse when the voice note was played. Him nearly dropped down and dead. If you hear the man where him a protect, don't take the plea deal, all loyalty, and hear the same man I tell the shooter say, anyhow him not get back him shoes them. Shawn Storm and Shawn Storm mother for dead. Who don't think Shawn Storm can really like Gay Charles? Like seriously. You can hear a man say, first thing, Uno Gaza fans, you know, are wicked. Check this. If them never got to prison, what happened to Shawn and his mother? Nothing with me I say, I have to say allegedly, you know. Nothing that I'm saying I don't have to say allegedly because it's in the court documents. It was aired live on TV. So I have to guess and spell, I have to say allegedly. So Uno Gaza fans, where I say Shawn Storm not deserve no house, him not deserve no money, him not deserve nothing. You still want to say that? Imagine prisoner actually hurt Shawn Storm, it actually saved him. Kaim and his mother probably would be alive today. So who is the wicked guy? Who is the loyal guy? Sometimes when me see the thing, I'm very sympathetic with Shawn Storm, you know. That's why I see Shawn Storm do a song of this. I not hate him. Because him get caught between a rock and a hard place. Because him want talk him mind and speak him truth, but him can't. Because the hunger look way a survivor is through the same wicked man. Sometimes I feel sad for my friend Eggman. Because sometimes him really want to tell him over their mind, but he can't do it. He have to hold it and act like him loyal, because I need to dub plate for yourself. Me know me broke and nah beg. Me broke and me nah itch up. Stay by myself. When me not have it, my woman help me and I got my bed, look at water and wake up with my dignity and my pride. So you tell me, if you then are courthouse, the person where you protect, you hear the prosecutor play a voice note, right? With the person where you are defend. I say, if you not bring back the sneakers them, you and your mother for dead, what you would do? What you would do? Chance time I tell you God truth. If I'm me, like you, I may hear that the voice note the inner court pan trial, after me start sing like Patti LaBelle. I would have sing like Whitney Houston pan her best day. I would have sing like when Bobby Good Brown take one key of coke. And you are telling me, sir, the youth hold it for you for 13 years. Loyal as him can be. And come out. And you still a deal with a man like shit house? Yeah, I put 6 lease house. And so, why me never send the picture of them over here, sir? Hold on. You know, say me I'm a fool. Hold on there. Yeah, man, me a fool, man. Because I forgot to say that one phone, yeah. I need to send it over the work phone. Hold on.